everyone. For today's English exercise, we will do some revision in this workbook. Let's open to page 18, Towns and Cities. So on this page, what we have is a progress review. Okay, so for this page 18, we have activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, and activity 4. Okay, while on page 19, we continue with activity 5, activity 6, and activity 7. If you see in each activities, we will have an evaluation. For example, activity 1, we have this. I can talk about places in a town or city. Meaning that for this exercise, this is what you can do. And then look at these smiley faces down here. Okay, my evaluation, and then you have 4 emojis. So what do we do with these emojis? Okay, if you see up here, my evaluation, check your progress, do the exercises, and then complete your own evaluation. Okay, own evaluation. Bermaksud murid-murid sendiri lihat adakah boleh melakukan semua aktiviti ini. Okay, jadi kita tengok contoh yang pertama. We look at the first example. I need to try this again. So if you see your workbook closely, the faces are being colored here. 1, 2, 3. It's dark. And you can see a sad face. Means that you need to do it again. Okay, you need to try it again. And then this one here, you also need to color 3 faces. And here, it's much better than this. You also have quite a bit sad face. Meaning you can do this better. Okay, how about this one? This one, you have a smiley face. So you color 3 faces and you leave on the smiley face if you are happy with your exercise, with the answers to your exercise. And then the last one, I can do this very well. So means you color the other 3 and you leave the happy face here. Okay, so this is how you do your evaluation. Activity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so let's see exercise 1. I will give you examples for all the exercises so that you can do it correctly. Okay, let's see exercise 1. Complete the words in the text. So we have learned all these words. You can refer to your student's book. Okay, let's see the first one here. Our town is very good for food. There's a nice Turkish. So where do we go if we want to have food? Usually we go to restaurant. So here it starts with R. So you write every letters that is suitable with the word restaurant. Make sure your spelling is correct. And then this one is also a place that we go to eat food and drink. So you find this word in your student's book. Okay, you can find it. And if you can get all of it correct, you just leave the smiley face. Means you color the other faces. The 3 faces you color. And you leave this. Okay, jadi tinggal yang ini tidak diwarnakan. Bermakna murid-murid boleh melakukan aktiviti ini. Means that I can talk about places in a town or city. If you can do it, then you can talk. Okay, if you are not really sure, you can color this and leave this, and so on and so forth. Okay, let's see exercise number 2. Number 2, you just choose the correct answer. Okay, you choose the correct answer. Question number 1 until number 6. This one you can refer to the text in also your student's book. It's about the ship. You remember the ship that we have learned before? It is this ship here. Right? City on the sea. Okay, so you read this again. Look for the answers for activity 2. Okay, let's see activity 3. Activity 3, write questions and short answers. Also, we already learned about this. So, write questions and short answers. We use is there, are there, how many. So, I give you an example for number 1. A big cinema in your area? No. So, you write full sentence. So, number 1, you can write, is there a big cinema in your area? So you see the answer given there is no, so you need to use this word. So you write no, there isn't. Okay, write full sentence. Full questions and answers. And then number 2, any interesting monuments in this town? Yes. So you start with because monuments is more than one, so you use are there. Are there any interesting monuments in this town? Yes, there is. Okay, so that's for number 2. And then continue until number 6. If you are sure you can do it, you can ask and answer correctly. You can put smile. Okay, this is your own evaluation. Okay. And then number 4, I will give you the audio later in the WhatsApp group. So what you need to do is listen to Lucy talking to her teacher and match the places A to B. Alright? And then your evaluation. And then the next one is exercise 5. Exercise 5, choose the correct word and write them in the line. On the line, sorry. So I give you an example here. My school is smaller than the school in the next town. Okay, so I give you the first one is then, and then the rest you fill it in carefully. Okay, there are many words here, so you choose. And as well, same as other exercises, you write your own evaluation. Okay, number 6. Exercise 6, you put the dialogue in correct order. This one you can refer to your student's book, page 18. Okay, you look at this conversation, page 18, and you try to put numbers. Okay, I give you for number 1, it's C. And then the last one, activity 7, all you need to do is rearrange your words into sentences. So for activity 7, I give you the example for number 1. Okay, is Norwich interesting city? Very. This one we already learned how to use adjective. So you just rearrange. Norwich is a very interesting city. I give you example for number 1. And then number 2, you can also write. Okay. So all that, you do it until number 8. And then my evaluation. I think that's all for today. And happy learning. Bye.